This is a demo of the SPFX webpart to show the latest worldwide data of COVID-19. To add this webpart, you can first edit a modern SharePoint page. Locate to the place where you want to add the webpart and click on the cross icon. Search COVID in the webpart picker and select the COVID-19 tracker webpart. Now the webpart is added on the page. By default, it's showing the global data and the UK's data. You can also edit the countries you want to show by clicking on the pencil icon in the top right corner. In the dropdown, you can multi-select the countries you are interested. For example, I'm now selecting France as an extra country. And then click on Save. Now the users will be able to see the COVID-19 data of France. This SharePoint page can be also integrated into Teams as a tab. Users can see the COVID-19 tracker report embedded in the page. This report is based on a GitHub online open source repository. However, after compiling it, the original API doesn't seem to work. Later on, we have found another data source API of COVID-19, so we changed the API in the code and also updated all related code to make it work. After running gulp bundle and gulp package solution, a SPFX package will be compiled and ready to deploy to the app catalog in your tenant. In the app catalog page of your tenant, simply drag and drop the SBPKG file and click Deploy. The app is now successfully deployed to your tenant. In the site where you want to use this SPFX webpart, simply click on the cork icon in the top right corner and select Add an App. And then find the React COVID-19 Tracker client-side solution in the apps you can add. Now, navigate back to the site contents. You'll be able to see the app there, and it's ready to be used in the SharePoint page.